Welcome to Kanien'keha. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to ask someone how they're feeling or how to answer how you're feeling. The first word we're going to look at is ni sunhoda. Ni sunhoda. How are you feeling? So to ask someone if they're happy, I say to zatanuniga. The za makes it you. Are you happy? Zatanuniga. And to reply, if someone asked you zatanuniga, you would reply, if you are happy, you would reply, wagatanuni. Yes, I'm happy. But if you're not happy, you would negate that and you would put yahde in front of your word. Yahde wagatanuni. I'm not happy. Yahde wagatanuni. Then to ask someone if they're mad or angry, I say Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. Are you angry? Are you mad? Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. So if you're angry or mad, you'd say Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. Or if you're not, Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. I'm not mad. Ionkwateweienhstonhatie. And to ask someone if they're feeling sad, you'd say Kanien'keha. Are you feeling sad? And to answer, yes, I'm feeling sad. If you're not feeling sad, I'm not feeling sad. And to ask someone if they're not feeling well, you can say sunhaksaga. Are you not feeling well? Sunhaksaga. Or are you sick? And then to reply, if you're feeling sick or not feeling well, gunhaksa. Or if you're not sick and you are feeling okay, you can say gunhaksa. So to add to that, let's look at the ending aksa. Aksa means not good. So if you're not feeling well, you'd say gunhaksa. But there's another way you can reply if you are feeling good. You can say gunhio. Io meaning well, yoyanere, good. Gunhio. And to ask someone if they're feeling tired, you would say Desahwisaheyuga. Are you feeling tired? And to answer if you're feeling tired, dewakwisaheyu. Yeah, I'm feeling tired. Or if you're not feeling tired, Yatat dewakwisaheyu. Yatat dewakwisaheyu. I'm not feeling tired. In this case, because the word dewakwisaheyu starts with a de, you would have to say yatat de. Yatat dewakwisaheyu. I'm not feeling tired. And if you wanted to ask someone if they're feeling sleepy, you would say sazerohtaraska. Are you feeling sleepy? And if you are feeling sleepy, you'd answer wagezerohtaras. And if you're not feeling sleepy, yahte wagezerohtaras. What's the wadatka? Onegi wahi.